Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Robinhood account security with 2FA detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate 2FA for your Robinhood account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the account menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You will see an option to enable 2FA. Select Turn On to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code via text or Authenticator app. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Once the code is accepted, you will be prompted to set up a backup method for account recovery. Choose your backup method, which can be either a phone number or an email. Confirm your backup method to complete the setup process. You will receive a confirmation that 2FA is now enabled on your account. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future reference. Now, every time you log into your account, you will be required to enter a verification code in addition to your password. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your investments. Remember to keep your authentication method secure to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.